You're so guapo, you know?
The problem is,
Yeah.
all my Visaya is mostly
Little bit pa lang.
under Khmer language. I'm always
Under
singing
it pa.
in the last 2 weeks in
We'll
Khmer.
go back to the hotel. Tell him.
Yeah, I told you already.
Okay.
He asked me, I explained him.
Sabi ko na ko, libre
Wala
pa ni
yung
hapon.
problema.
Libre
So,
pa ni hapon.
What is your name?
Wala, uy.
Fem. Fem.
Fem.
Fem.
Fem.
Yeah.
Fem. Okay. What was your Visaya? Nice to meet you.
Huh?
Nice to meet you. Visaya?
Nice to meet you.
Yep.
Ano may bisay sa nice to meet you?
You don't have nice to meet you?
No.
What is your name?
Mayong pagkita. Mayong pagkita. Fem.
Mayo Makita.
Pagkita, Fem.
Makita.
Mayong pagkita.
Okay, Mayo Makita Fem.
Maayo po.
Karibo guys, sana may Cambodia guys. Namin nadagit oh.
Ang apa ayo. Wapo kaayo nga to. Wapo kaayo.
Mahal pila to.
Sabi na kung sa Siargao ra ka makaapang. Tama na diri sa Cambodia.
Nasa Cambodia.
What kaayo ako?
Yes! Guwapo kayo ka dong. Okay, let's go again.
You will like the traffic. It is like in your country.
In Vietnam, so much.
Yeah, they're crazy.
Yes.
So crazy.
Mine is not so crazy, but they're also crazy. It is similar to the Philippines. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes not. Here in Siem Reap, you see the bike in this way. In Germany, lost license.
Oh,
Yes.
you
Immediately.
cannot drive anymore.
Never. Thank you. Nice.
Bye.
Yes.
Guys, laglaag na dayon mi diri sa Cambodia. Kamo pa pag-abot. Mabagi pag-abot na mo guys, naglaglag na dayon mi.
It's good to have.
Okay lang gid.
It's good to have a native pathfinder, a guide,
Yan. Native ang guide.
native guide from Germany.
Wow, you're a foreigner, not a native.
That's unique. That's unique.
Okay.
Correct. Oo. Okay guys. Nanami na dagit. Nanami na dagit nga pam.
Tinuot lagi ng apam.
Tundo ha. Hi.
Hi.
I miss you.
Really?
Tinuot lagi ng apam.
Di na ba ka mo? Yeah, you choose the place where we
I
are
do.
going to eat.
Yes. We will go there. Where you can see life.
Hi.
Philippines na buhay.
Yeah, hi Philippines Mabuhay. We are in Cambodia now.
Because some like to eat Western, some like to eat.
No. Yes, I
Why?
know. This one likes to eat Western. Kasayod ko.
Indian food. Okay.
Here, the area is a little bit bigger. Here, always the tables have only 4. But there we can find a little bit bigger table. The stairs.
Bag ko naman. Ano, mag-picture. Dayo, gakuan sila guys.
3,000 more.
3,000.
Rice? Yes. I hope so.
Salamat.
Okay.
You know, salamat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Salamat in Filipino.
Thank you.
Akun.
Akon in Cambodia.
Akon.
Okay, Akon.
You at the hotel because I'm
Okay. What